class 2, welcome back. Today we are going to do maths. Now today we will be doing the big book, that is New Maths Explorer. Okay. Now you know that we have already started with chapter number 2 and we have already done the countings from 101 onwards till 1000, and many of you have given your work also for checking. So good. And those who have not sent, please do send it. Okay. So now let's start the class. Today we are going to learn further more topic in the same chapter, that is chapter number 2, numbers up to 1000. Now today's topic is place value and face value. Now what is place value? The place value, you know that we read the numbers, like say a number I am saying 725. Now 725, in this there are 3 digits. Okay. The 3 digits are 7, 2 and 5. Now what is its place? What is the place of 7? What is the place of 2? What is the place of 5? Now you may be confused little bit. Now we can understand this question with the help of place value chart. Okay, so look here, I have made this place value chart. What is place value chart? Place value chart helps us to understand the place of any digit in any number. Okay, where that number exists, in which place it exists. Just now I told you 725. So this 7, 2, 5, these 3 digits in the place value chart, what is their place and where is it? Where does it exist? Exist means where they are being placed. Okay. Now look here, I have written 3 numbers. What are the 3 digits? 1, 2 and 3. Now if I have to say in what is the place of 1 in hundreds place? How we will write 1 in 100? So 100, how do we write? In this way. Okay. Now how do we write in like same digit if we have to write in the tens place? If I write just 1, is it correct? 1, 1 tens. It is not correct, no? So if I have to write 1, digit 1 in the tens place, then I will be writing in this way. This means 110. Okay. And in ones place, the digit 1 is written like this. Just 1. Okay. In the similar manner, if I have to write this digit, digit 2, in 100 place, in tens place and in ones place, how am I going to write? Or how shall we write? We will write in this way. In hundreds place, 2 will be written in this way. Okay. This is 200. Then in tens place we will write like this, and in ones place we will write just the 2. Now you can see there is one more column I have written. What is that column? The column F dot V. F dot V means the face value. What do you mean by face value? So far I have told you what is the place value of digit 1, digit 2 in hundreds place, in tens place and in ones place. How we write, that I have explained you, right? But what is face value? Face value means the number itself. Now for example, say if I will show myself, okay, then you will tell my name only. You will not tell anybody else's name. So looking at me, you will say I am Mamta ma'am. Okay. In the similar manner, if I will ask digit 1, will you say it is 2? You will not say 2. So what is face value of a digit or a number? Face value is the number itself. Okay. So over here, if I ask you what is the face value of 1 in 100, it is 1 only. Okay. Now for making 100, there are 2 digits. No, we are using 1 and 0. So what is the face value of 0? It will be 0. What is the face value of 1? It will be 1. Okay. So that's how we do it. Now I'll give you example to make it more clear. Okay. Now in the similar manner, in this 200, in 200, if I have to say what is the face value of 2, so I will say only 2. I will not say any other number, right? Okay. In the similar manner, you see here 3. Now 3 is, how shall we write 3 in hundreds place? We will write 300. 300 in tens place like this, 30, and in ones place we will just write 3. But what is the place value of 3? Face value of 3. What is the face value of 3 in all the numbers? It is 3 only. Okay. That means what have we learned? What is face value? Face value is the number itself. Okay. Like for example, I gave you one number. No, this is 725. Now if I ask you what is the face value of 5 in this number, what will you say? 5. Okay. If I ask you what is the face value of 7 in this number, this 7, underline 7, what is the face value? Face value will be, what will be the face value of 7 here? It will be 7. And what will be the face value of 2? Then it will be 2. So what have we understood from face value? Face value is the number itself. Okay, in any in any number, if we point out or we underline any digit, particular digit, and we ask about its face value, then it will be the number itself. Fine. Now we have also learned what is place value. Place value means any number, place value is the place of any digit in any number in a place value chart. Like for example, now I am going to write here place value, PV. PV means place value. Now I want to know the place value of 2 in 725. So you see, this 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, and 7 is in hundreds place. So I want to know the place value of 2 here. So it will be, since it is in 2 tens place, so we will write 20 or we will write 2 tens like this. Okay, 2 tens. Fine. So likewise, in page number 21 and 22, you will find it is in page number 21. You will see that write the number names. You have to see the numbers are given, okay, in the numeral form, and you have to write their number names. That means you have to write in words. Like for first question, 236. So you will be writing this 236 in spellings, in words, right? And in page number 22, you will do the opposite thing. That means in words it is written and you have to write in the numeral form. Fine. So you will complete page number 21, write the number names, and you will also complete page number 22, write the numbers. Fine. Now in page number 26, in page number 26 you have one more exercise that also you will complete. It is related to the place value and face value. Okay, so related to that you will complete this many pages. That means page number 21 you will complete, and page number 22 and page number 26. Okay, so in this video only this much. Try to understand the concept of place value and face value. You see, it is very clearly explained here. What is place value of a digit in any number? Like here, 1 is how we write the numbers in different places. Okay, and the face value also I have explained you. So just go through your book also. There, in your book also there is one chart, place value chart and place value chart. You can read from there and you can understand. And if you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, and please do complete your work and send me for correction. Alright, so now I will take your leave, and take care and do your work. Bye bye.